Hi everyone, it's Danielle here, just letting you know about another great product. Cell-Lite Magic is one that all us women want to try, right? Cell-Lite Magic, and it is like magic on the backs of the thighs for us women in particular who want to be toned and have nourished skin. But I also love it on the stomach, and there's those things that we just want to have a bit of toning, right, where we just want to have some more smoothness and suppleness. So anyway, get your hands on Cell-Lite Magic. So we actually have a number of massage oil products if you want to check them out. There's Dragon Time for women at that time of the month. Then we have Sensation for a sensational time in the bedroom. Then we have Relaxation for a relaxing mood. And we have Ortho Sport and Ortho Ease, which for tired muscles before and after exercise. And then we have Cell-Lite Magic for toning and nourishing skin, especially behind the thigh areas. So check out Cell-Lite Magic. And I'd love you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to see you next time. Have a great one. Bye.